Here's a little quick one, just over here doing oil changes and swapping out the summer air for the winter air in the tires. And over here on Mom's truck, went by, all the tires still had pretty good pressure, and this is the oldest one that's on her. She's maybe got another 10,000 miles left on it, and came over here and looked at the tread, and you'll notice something. Here we are. Here's our wear bar. Maybe got a millimeter left, and oh, what's this? Oh, we're past the wear bar. Where is the wear bar? Oh, we got a bulge in the tire. Probably a good 1/4 inch, and she's coming apart. And you can actually, I just put about 5 psi in here, and I don't know if you can make that out, but there is a lip in this tire. It raises up about at least 1/8 of an inch right here. Oh man, that was one big bump from blowing out like an 18-wheeler. So yeah, check your tires regularly, rotate your tires, do all that good stuff. Don't let them stay on your car for 10 years like this one's been. Here, maybe this is a better look for you. Oh, Jesus Christ, look at that. Looks fine. And then looks fine. Just a nice big old hump there. Yep. Oh yeah, good thing I noticed that before Mom got stranded. And to round it out, Theseus had a nail. Of course, right dead center in the tread, into one of the sipes, right through a tread block. So took me and Dad to get that plug in. That's the downside of these off-road tires, is they're tough as shit. And this thing was down 10 psi, and I couldn't even tell. It was at 25, and I wanted it at 36. Couldn't even notice. Because these things just have so many biases in them. They're so damn rigid. But it also means you gotta fight like a son of a bitch to get that reamer in there. Gift that keeps on giving. Merry Christmas. Tom out.